Hey guys, so I'm in my garage right now and I'm getting visited by a friend from Germany. Some of you might know him. He's called Moji. He's a pretty famous German vlogger. And we're gonna do some stuff with the GTR, which is right behind me. He's got some pretty crazy ideas. Let's see if we can all make them work. But yeah, we wanted to do it yesterday when it was still snowing, but this guy has the craziest sleep schedule I've ever seen in my entire life. So yeah, he's coming today. No snow today sadly, but I think we're still gonna do some pretty cool stuff. So yeah, because it's not snowing, I need to change the tires because the GTR is still on spiked tires, which is not ideal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that now. So these were the spiked tires which I had on. They were pretty standard, I would say, nothing too extreme. And here you can see the regular winter tires which I'm gonna swap. They're pretty good with the original NISSAN wheels. And the interesting thing about these is that they are four front wheels. That's why they look so bad in the rear, because it's 4 times for the front axle, because they're a bit slimmer, the spiked tires, than the regular ones. So we picked him up and yeah, he's gonna drive my GTR now. Raptor is also with us. Let's see.
Bei diesem Kfz. Ich wollte gerade Kupplung treten, aber das hat keine Kupplung. Junge, der schiebt, also wenn wir die Turbos kicken, da schiebt ja alles nach hinten bei mir. Aber der hat gute, also der ist gut auf der Straße. Ja. Der ist jetzt nicht ausgebrochen, glaube ich.
Nein.
Okay, du hast ja auch alles an.
Ja.
Deswegen bricht er nicht aus wahrscheinlich.
Ja.
Oh, Junge. Ja, gefällt mir. Okay, jetzt überholen. Oh Gott. Okay, wir sind jetzt drin. Ich versuche mal ein bisschen dynamischer zu fahren.
Jawohl.
Zweiter Gang. Oh, Bruder, ich habe Angst. Das sieht auch so rutschig aus, ja, alles mit dem Schnee und so. Alter! Junge, ist das geil! Boah, geil, Digga! Wie weit... Okay, ich versuche gerade... Oh! Ich versuche gerade ein bisschen Knall zu machen, Flammen. Okay, ich glaube, ich krieg's nicht mehr hin, aber ein Knaller war dabei, glaube ich.
Einen habe ich sogar.
Der reicht.
Are you ready?
Ich bin bereit, glaube ich. Ja, ja.
So just to clarify what's going on, we wanted to ride the KTM, but the problem is it's so cold here that I think the battery pack is not working because it's too cold. So to warm it up, we put it into a bar. Yeah, we're gonna drink something, of course non-alcoholic, and hopefully the KTM will warm up, and then Moji can ride around with it a little bit. Yeah. So our backup plan is to, yeah, you will see. Give me a second.
Als hier unten, oder was?
Nein, nein, ich komm. Geh ruhig. Ich will nur nicht dein Gesicht schon wieder filmen.
Meine Arme gerade?
Bisschen.
Wie sieht da unten in der Hose?
Ziemlich schlecht, muss ich zugeben.
Alter, ich bin Kettenraucher. Ich komme da nicht hoch.
Absurd, Alter. So I'm just cleaning the R35 now. Sadly, we couldn't really film anything else besides that what you saw, and it was kind of weird for me to film because Moji doesn't really want to show his face, and I tried to respect that, so I didn't really film a lot. So hey guys, it's like, I don't know what, 3 weeks later now. Last time Moji visited me, we still had a lot of more snow than now. But yeah, we're gonna go for a ride in the buggy today because I don't know, he told me he wants to experience death again, I guess, I don't really know. Yeah, I'm just driving to the garage right now to meet up with Moji, and then we're gonna go get the buggy. Fuck.
Lass ich mal ganz kurz raus.
Jawohl. Machen wir da ein bisschen runter.
Ach, du filmst?
Ja, passt. Are you ready to, I don't know, have a near-death experience?
Ach, machen wir das jetzt Englisch oder was?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready. Yo, let's drive the buggy in the mountains.
Passt. Ah, je. Oh, now it's his turn to drive. Ja.
Ich könnte auch tanzen für dein Video oder so.
Ja, mach mal.
Ja? Alter, ich bin fast gestorben.
I'm still alive, and he didn't kill me, which is a very great success. Yeah, I think he had a lot of fun. So did I.